Have you ever wondered if the universe is listening to you? Imagine if your deepest desires, the ones you've always kept secret, could be realized by simply knowing how to communicate with the universe. In today's video, we're diving into the minds of 5 incredible thought leaders who have discovered the secrets to making the universe respond to your wishes. Stay with us as we explore how you can start turning your dreams into reality today. Dr. Dyer, often referred to as the father of motivation, believed that intention is the driving force of the universe. He taught that by aligning your thoughts and actions with a higher purpose, you can connect with the energy of the universe. But what sets Dyer apart is his unique perspective on the power of intention. He didn't just see it as a desire or wish. He believed intention is a force in the universe that exists even before your desires take shape. As Dyer said, "You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are." Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a vast ocean. Your intention is the wind, invisible but powerful, guiding the waves. According to Dyer, when your intentions are pure, clear, and connected to a higher good, the universe has no choice but to respond. His teachings encourage us to live with an inner certainty that what we intend is already on its way, like a seed waiting to bloom. Esther Hicks, channeling the collective consciousness known as Abraham, brought the concept of the law of attraction to the forefront. Her teachings remind us that like attracts like. The energy you emit is what you will attract back into your life. But here's the twist. Hicks emphasizes the importance of emotional vibration. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about genuinely feeling the emotions of what you want, as if it's already yours. In Hicks's words, the entire universe is conspiring to give you everything that you want. Imagine wanting a new job or a loving relationship. Esther Hicks would tell you to not only visualize it, but to feel the joy, satisfaction, and love that comes with it. Your emotions are the universe's tuning fork. When your emotions vibrate at the frequency of your desires, the universe responds by aligning your reality to match. Dr. Deepak Chopra, a pioneer in mind-body medicine, delves into the mystical side of universal communication. He introduces the concept of synchronicity, those meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be random. According to Chopra, these are not mere accidents, but rather the universe's way of communicating with you, showing you that you're on the right path. Chopra once said, "Synchronicity is choreographed by a great pervasive intelligence that lies at the heart of nature and is manifest in each of us through intuitive knowledge." Think about that moment when you were thinking of an old friend and they suddenly called you, or when you desperately needed a solution and it appeared as if by magic. Chopra teaches that by becoming aware of these synchronicities, you start to understand that the universe is not just responding to you, it's actively guiding you. He also talks about the quantum field, where all possibilities exist. By tuning into this field, you can access the infinite potential of the universe, making your desires a reality. Rhonda Byrne's groundbreaking book, The Secret, brought the law of attraction into millions of homes worldwide. Her message is simple yet profound. What you focus on expands. Byrne's approach is practical and accessible, emphasizing the idea that you can shape your reality by concentrating on what you want rather than what you fear. Byrne often reminds us, ask once, believe you have received, and all you have to do to receive is feel good. Consider this. If you constantly worry about bills, lack, and limitations, you're inadvertently attracting more of those experiences. But if you shift your focus to abundance, health, and happiness, the universe mirrors these thoughts back to you. Byrne's unique contribution is her focus on gratitude. She suggests that by being thankful for what you have, even before it manifests, you create a powerful magnetic force that draws your desires to you. It's not just about asking, it's about believing, feeling, and expressing gratitude as if your dreams have already come true. Dr. Joe Dispenza takes a scientific approach to understanding how we can communicate with the universe. He bridges the gap between spirituality and science, showing how our thoughts and emotions physically change our brain and influence the quantum field. Dispenza teaches that by changing your thoughts and emotions, you can create new neural pathways, essentially rewiring your brain to tune into the frequency of your desires. As Dispenza puts it, the moment you change your perception is the moment you rewrite the chemistry of your body. Imagine your brain as a radio, constantly emitting signals. If you're stuck in old thought patterns, you're tuned into a frequency that attracts more of the same old reality. But when you start thinking and feeling differently, imagining the life you want with vivid detail and emotion, you change the frequency. According to Dispenza, this shift in frequency connects you to the quantum field, where all possibilities exist, allowing you to draw your desired reality into your experience. So what's the secret to making the universe respond to you? From Dr. Wayne Dyer's Power of Intention, Esther Hicks's Emotional Vibrations, Deepak Chopra's Synchronicity, Rhonda Byrne's Focus and Gratitude, to Joe Dispenza's Brain Rewiring, each of these thought leaders has shown us that the universe is not a distant, cold expanse, but a living, responsive force. Whether it's through your thoughts, emotions, or intentions, you have the power to speak to the universe. And when you do, the universe will answer. Your dreams, those deeply held desires, are not just fantasies. They're signals waiting to be answered. The universe is listening. The question is, what will you ask for next? If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mind Mastery Academy. Let's continue this journey together.